This is the way. What's up, everybody? I'm Steve Brown and welcome to DigiLyfe News. So if you haven't been watching The Mandalorian, you are really missing out. And one thing that has really kind of set the internet ablaze is the all too cuteness, super cuteness, Baby Yoda. So unless you've been living under a proverbial rock for the past 2-3 months, you know that Baby Yoda's probably the cutest thing in the world right now. Baby Yoda has toys coming out. Baby Yoda has merchandise coming out. Everywhere you look is Baby Yoda. And this little 1'5" bundle of super cuteness is about to get immortalized in digital culture with its own emoji. And right now there is a change.org petition to make Baby Yoda as an emoji. This is the way. I think this is a great idea. I think Baby Yoda represents something that Star Wars fans have been missing for a long time. This is the way. The goal of the change.org petition was 25,000 signatures. And last time we checked, they were almost at that goal after only a day. So I think in order to move the needle with Apple, I think they maybe should raise the goal maybe 100, 200,000 signatures. That'll be a significant push in order to make Apple pay attention to what they're doing. This is the way. On a side note, if you have not seen The Mandalorian, it is fantastic. It is definitely a Star Wars epic. It looks and feels like Star Wars. This is the way. I really think Apple needs to pay attention to this. We all know Apple's been a bit slow in listening to user feedback. Bringing back the headphone jack? Fixing facial recognition? This is something that Star Wars fans haven't had in a while, and Apple capitalizing on this could be an easy fix. With updates coming from iOS every couple of months, this would be a very cheap and inexpensive way for Apple to kind of capitalize on this fanfare that they haven't seen in a while. So, if you would like to see Baby Yoda immortalized as an emoji, comment below. We want to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to DigiLyfe. We love technology, we live for it, and we want to make sure that we're bringing you the best science, tech, content, and the digital lifestyle anywhere. So, this is the way. I'm Steve Brown, aka Steve B Tech, and we'll see you next time. Boba Fett? Boba Fett? Where?